Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto from Coinmarketcap. So as you can see, this is the official website of coinmarketcap.com. And in case if you're looking to buy crypto or do the trading on this platform, so you will not be able to do any of it as this platform is not for trading. So what you can do is this is basically shows the histories of all the coins and the total price and 1 hour price, 24-hour price, the market cap, volume and everything like the history of complete history of the coin. And you cannot buy cryptocurrency on this website. So as you can see, like let's say I click on the Bitcoin and I want to check like this is the current rate of Bitcoin and here is the market cap. And if you want to check what is market cap, so this is the detail of what is market cap and volume of 24 hours, FDV, like volume of market cap, 24 hours, max supply, total supply and circulating supply. So you can see all the details and here is the graph of let's say 1 day, 7 day, 1 month, like you want to see what is happening on the coin. So this is basically a kind of analysis of the coin. And you want to like let's say any new coin is launched, so you can just go and let's say TON coin is launched, so you can check the price, check the history. And if you want to do trading, so you can like do all the analysis, read the history and check the further details like volume, market cap, etc. and many further details. And let's say you want to like here is the cryptocurrency section, really like ranking, trending, upcoming, and there are like many other options that you can access on this coin market cap, but you will not be able to do trading on this platform. So that is a simple and easy answer of can you do trading and what is the purpose of coin market cap. So that is the answer to your question that can you buy cryptocurrency on coin market cap or not.